Hello, in this video I want to show you all available gestures and motions on XIAOMI 12T. So first let's open settings. Here scroll all the way down and find additional settings. Now gestures and shortcuts, and here you can see all of the gestures and shortcuts available for this device. And first one is launch Google Assistant by holding the power key for 0.5 seconds. So make sure that it's enabled, and now let's hold the power key for the time shown right here. And here we can see the Google Assistant opening. Next one is to take a screenshot, and here's the two options: slide down 3 fingers to make a screenshot and volume down plus power key to take a screenshot. Make sure that both of them are enabled, and now let's try them. Both of them work. Next, partial screenshot, and here press and hold with 3 fingers to make the screenshot of a specific portion of the screen. So let's try that. And now we can draw where we want to take the screenshot for. Next is to launch the camera, and if we open it, here's two options: double press the power button to open the camera, or double press volume down when the screen is locked to open the camera. Let's try both of them. First the power key, here's a camera, and now lock the device and volume down key 2 times. And here's also the camera. Next and the last one is to turn on a flashlight, or other words the torch, and here double press the power button to enable the flashlight, but you need to replace it with a screenshot. Now let's try that. And that's basically it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.